Hello friends, in this video we will talk about a very commonly used term not only in marketing but in general discussion, the concept of satisfaction. Now why this concept is important in marketing? Because with the help of our offering we are trying to drive satisfaction in our target segment, and once the customer is satisfied, the chances are that next time the same need will arise, there is high probability that he will purchase my product only. So, in simple words, satisfaction can be looked upon more in mathematical terms, wherein the marketer will promise certain benefits with the help of its offering, which will lead to formation of expectation in the customer. Right? So, whatever marketer promises, that will lead to the expectation in the minds of the consumer. So, maybe there is a bike manufacturer who promises that his bike is powerful, his bike will give a mileage of this much, his bike will have low ownership cost. All this will lead to the formation of expectations. And when the consumer will actually use the brand or use the product, he will compare this expectation with the actual experience, right? So this is the entire cycle. How these expectations are formed? These expectations are largely formed because of what the consumer hears about this particular brand, what the organizations tells the consumer that what would be the benefits associated with this brand will lead to the formation of expectation. And at the time of consumption, the consumer will try to compare his pre-decided expectations with the actual experience, right? And this will create something interesting which mathematically can be written as that the consumer might be having some expectations and then he will try to compare this with the actual experience which he gets, right? So this can be equal to, this can be greater than, or this can be less than. Now this is interesting and this is the entire dynamics of satisfaction. If the expectation is equal to experience, like I am talking about this, if the experience is equal to expectation, the consumer will be satisfied or he will experience satisfaction. If the expectations were more, if the expectations were more, like I am talking about this, but the actual experience was less, this is something which will lead to dissatisfaction. Right? And what about the third one? When the actual experience is more than what the consumer actually expected, this is what in marketing we call customer delight, or this is what we call as wow moments. So, if you keep this equation in mind, what we want our customers to be satisfied with the offering, but this is something which is bare minimum. You should not stop only at the satisfaction, but you need to think about how you can delight the consumers, how you can create wow moments for the consumers, which is challenging, but of course if you try to map the entire customer journey at a lot of touch points, you can create those interventions, you can create those experiences which ultimately leads to a wow kind of experience, right? In simple term, assume you are in the college or you are in the office, your mom calls you and asks, what is that which you would like to have in dinner? And you said, if you are a vegetarian, you said it would be great if you can have paneer at the dinner, or if you are a non-vegetarian, you said that probably chicken or mutton will be good. Now, with those kind of expectations, once you reach your place and when you sit on the dining table, you find both these items are missing. So you were promised paneer in the dinner, but probably you were served something different which may lead to dissatisfaction. Or the other scenario can be, along with paneer, you get something which is your favorite dessert. In that case, you will be absolutely delighted. Right? So in marketing, the satisfaction is something which is one of the very, very core concept. And we have to make sure that every transaction, every exchange with the consumer at least leads to satisfaction. Although we have to graduate to this level wherein we have to make sure that every transaction which you are having with the consumers is ending up in a delighted consumer. Now once the consumer is satisfied, once the consumer is delighted, the chances are that he will get back to us again, he will purchase our product again when the similar need arises. Thank you.